What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to make a couple of steaks in the Ninja Foodi. I picked these up from my local grocery, Fresh Plus. They have some really nicely marbled steaks. These are frozen. This is going to be kind of a follow-up from my last video. So I made some frozen steaks in my Instant Pot, but I've since upgraded to the Ninja Foodi. So wanted to show how well it cooks these and how easy it is. This is our ingredients. Got pink Himalayan salt, optional black pepper, and half a cup of water. Very simple. So there's two different lids for this. It's got the broiler lid, which is also an air fryer, and then it's got this pressure lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pressure cook these first. Just put them right in here. And put this half a cup of water right in there. That's it. I'll put the pressure lid on. Make sure it's sealed. Set it to pressure. We'll cook it for 7 minutes. These are a little bit thicker. Actually, I'll do 6 minutes because I want it a little bit rare on the inside. And that's it for the first step. Not too difficult. I'll be back once it gets to pressure. You putting some sushi on the plate? You eating sushi? What kind of sushi do you have there? What kind of sushi do you have there? Which one's your favorite?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yummy. Alright, so we're up to pressure. Now it's just a matter of waiting for this to finish counting down. And then we'll release the pressure. And we will proceed to the next step. Right, Isabella?
Yeah. I'm trying to fix this.
Yeah.
It's falling off.
Let me see your chopsticks. Oh, yeah.
I just have one chopstick.
Mm-hmm.
We are doing that today. We do.
What do you have there?
Sushi.
Oh, yeah?
You can try some.
I would love to try some. Can I have some?
Yes.
Let me see. Yummy. You gonna try some?
Yeah.
Yeah, show me how you try some. Let me see. Is it good?
Yeah. It tastes like strawberry.
Tastes like strawberry?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's about to finish with the pressure cooking cycle. And what I'm going to do is once it finishes here, I'm going to go ahead and release that pressure valve. So it's done. So we're going to go ahead and flip this over. Take that out. Then, I'm going to open the lid. I'm going to use this paper towel to dab the steaks dry. Alright, so these steaks are actually ready to eat. They're fully cooked, but we want to add a little bit of a crisp to them. So what we're going to do is pat them dry. Like so. These are some pretty good flat irons, so once they're dry, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle them with some salt and some pepper. I'll be right back. I need my hands to do that. Alright, so I got them all seasoned up. Now I just gotta close this lid here for the broiler. Set it to broil, and we'll do 12 minutes. And that's it. I'll be back when it's done. Alright, there's just about a little bit over 3 minutes left on the broil. I'm gonna peek in here and see what they look like. Oh, they're coming out real nice. I'm gonna keep it going here. While that's going, I wanted to just take a second to mention that I'm gonna put a link in the description for this video on the grocery store that I go to get these steaks. 2 flat irons, which is what I purchased from this grocery store. I have them cut into thirds, so that's about $32 for the prime Akaushi Heartbrand flat iron steaks, and that's 6 steaks for that price. So it's not a bad deal, considering that if you buy them directly from the source, from Heartbrand, you're looking at like probably about $30 or $40 a steak. So it's really good quality stuff. I'm going to be taking them out here in just a second, and we'll cut into it, see what they look like on the inside. It's not a perfect science, but in most cases they come out really good. I've never had anyone say that they weren't happy with them. So this appliance has pretty much taken over my kitchen, replaced a lot of my my previous cooking styles. So I definitely approve of it, and we'll be back in just a second. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop this early because I think they're done to my liking. Go ahead and open this up. We're going to take these out and cut into them. Look at those steaks. Check that out. Cuts like butter, nice and crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave a comment in the bottom and let me know what you'd like to see next time. This device is really good for cooking steaks, pretty much cooking anything, but I really enjoy it for cooking up steaks and stuff. Especially because I like to do the Pittsburgh / Chicago style, where it's really seared on the outside and kind of rarer on the inside, which is what you can see there. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed this, feel free to leave a comment below, and let me know what you'd like to see next time. Take care. Thank you.